So here we are with the Horsch Terrano FX series. They range in widths from 3 metres, 3.5, 4 metres, up to 5 metres. The digging depth, these will get down here with this Shank. This is a 550 kilo breakout tine trip assembly. You see with this tine assembly, it'll get down to 30 centimetres cultivation depth. And you see these twisted shank guards here. They're excellent for mixing of the material as you're going through the field. You've got the Horsch, the HM Plus point there. It's got a really good tungsten tip on the front. And these wings do a really good job as far as mixing the material in. If you've got heavy stubbles, mixes it down, increases that soil to stubble contact, and that will give you a really quick turnover of your wheat stubble into, you can go and replant again. You've got the levelling discs back here. This levels all the dirt that this tine has taken out. These levelling discs come back in and they level it out before it hits the packer. The packers, you can have various amounts of packers on this machine. This one's got a cage roller on it, but you can get, there's about 4 or 5 different types of packing systems you can have with the machine. But this is a great little machine from a cultivation point of view. It really will dig. The angle, they've got this angle just spot on here, and that, once again, what we're saying with that trip force, it'll trip out to about 27 centimetres. So it's got some good depth, and you can actually see here it's about 850 millimetres under frame clearance here. So it's got some trash flow ability there to get trash through the machine as well. But great little machine, and we've had a really good success with these in the field, and they do a good job. Once again, with most Horsch products, this steel here is seamless tubing. So you don't have a cold rolled piece of steel with a welded seam. This is hot, seamless tubing, and I believe the quality is S355, is the steel quality, and you can see how thick that is there with that radius. The engineering that goes into this and every other piece of Horsch machinery, we'll show you a few other things later. It's second to none. It is one of the best engineered machines that you'll see out in the farming industry in Australia at the moment. Yeah, really good trips, really good steel quality, very simple adjustments for your levelling discs here. You just put that pin out, crank it down to the spot that you want those discs to level off, and then away you go. But the headstock on this machine, this is a linkage machine, so you have a look at this headstock. It's very heavy duty headstock. You'll be doing well to do any damage to that machine. It's a very nuggety cultivator, and you've got these other adjustments here. I'll just run you through some of these for your depth setting. Very simply, your backpacker sets your depth, and that rod's connected to your backpacker. All your depth settings done through these color-coded clips. Very simple. If you've got operators, you can just say, just go and put another red clip in and lift it up a little bit. So there's very simple depth setting on the machine right across the board. Another nice little feature is these. You see how all these other twisted shank guards, they all go one way, and they throw the soil a certain way. But the edge plates here, these edge plates, they're always this way on the outside, so that soil doesn't get thrown to the outside of your working.